Introducing Maston 2K, the world's first two-component spray paint in one can. To start, shake the can upside down for 3 minutes. Remove the cap. Before application, test spray the product away from the object to be coated. Spray continuously at 25 centimeters distance. Spray 1 to 3 layers. Wait 3 minutes between layers. If desired, turn the nozzle spray head to adjust spray direction. Spray in cross layers to obtain full coverage. When finished, clean the nozzle by spraying upside down. The painted surface should look smooth and even, and will be touch dry in about 45 minutes, depending on the drying conditions. Painted surface reaches final hardness in 7 days. The cured surface is water and solvent resistant. Maston 2K, the world's first two-component spray paint in one can.